Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim and Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today what we are going to talk about, it is quite important in the O-levels examination, and students face a lot of difficulties while attempting these type of questions. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's delve into this. And today we are going to talk about how to attempt the vocabulary questions. Okay, and there are some rules to keep it in mind. And the first rule is that before I take a start, I should let you know that in order to enhance your vocabularies, there is no shortcut. You need to read more, you need to understand more, you need to be familiarize yourself with many of the books. Okay, you need to read a lot of books, whatever you like are interested in. You need to go for that. Okay, no matter that's a sports topic, no matter that's a sort of a novels, fiction, non-fiction, whatsoever, but improve your reading capabilities. Automatically you will like get to know about you will be having a lot of grip over your vocabulary skills. Okay, so what is basically the initial process? I will be making other videos related to how to attempt the vocabularies, how to attempt the vocabulary questions. Okay, I will be making the other videos, but this is one of the shortest possible one that you just need to keep it in mind in just a few within just a few glimpses. Okay, so how to attempt the vocabulary questions? The problem is that, okay? So let's move on. The rule number one. The rule number one is meaning should be in the same form as the word is. Past versus past. That means you need to understand that whatever the word is disturbing you, you need to understand the forms of the verbs. Being an O-level, being a Cambridge student, you must be proficient enough, you must be capable enough to understand the forms of the verbs, obviously. Okay, I do not need to speak it up, right? So whatever the forms of the verb is bothering you, you need to get the meaning out with the same forms. Means if it is in the past one, you need to go for the past one. If it is a like present one, you need to go for the present one. If it is a future one, you need to go for the future one. Okay, and if it is a past perfect one, you need to go for the past perfect one. Okay, so I will be discussing the other grammars as well in the other videos. Okay, and I have already discussed this. You can scroll down my past videos for the grammar sessions. Okay, especially the past perfect one. I explained it in much efficient manner. Okay, so let's come back to the like topic over here. The word that is bothering you here is emerged, right? Emerged. The truth finally emerged. The sentence is written like this: the truth finally emerged after months of investigation and debate. Now, what to do, how to understand it? The word emerged is bothering you. Okay, the truth finally, look at this word finally. The truth finally, that means emerged. Forget about this, hide it for a while. The truth finally dash after months of investigation. Another keyword is investigation and debate. That means we are going to talk about truth finally. We are going to find something related to the word truth finally came out, truth finally arised, truth finally got cleared. It can be like this: the truth finally got cleared after months of investigation and debate. The truth finally have came out after the months of this. And means is come into an existence, means to show off, to come into an existence. To the truth finally came out after this. So if you would guess some of the words, some of the other synonyms using the particular context before the words which is bothering you and after the words which is bothering you, so you, if you would like connect the situations with one another, hopefully you will be able to take out the meaning of that bothered word. Okay, let's move on to meaning of that bothered word. Okay, let's move on to another word, and like is exacerbated. Is exacerbated. The word is exacerbated. The new policy exacerbated, which is problematic at the moment. Okay, the new policy exacerbated tensions between the two communities. Okay, let's talk about not communities, countries, right? The new policy exacerbated tensions. The main word is tension between the two countries. Let's talk about India-Pakistan war, right? So that means the new policy might have disturbed, the new policy might have done anything like that, which is not good. So means worsened a problems or a situation. That means have made the situation worse or made the situation bad, right? This is how you can just guess the synonyms here in order to understand. The new policy, one situation, dash tension, that means exhibited between two communities. If you're talking about India-Pakistan relationships, that means we cannot say that it is going to be, it has become better. It is intensifying day by day. So that means it's getting bad and bad and bad. It's getting worse, right? So exacerbated, something negative, worsened a problem or a situation. Transcended, transcended. Okay, so it is, the next word is transcended. The transcended here is bothering me. The team's dedication, I'm talking about the team's dedication here, team's dedication, right? Transcended mere teamwork, creating a sense of unity and purpose. Again, creating a sense of unity and purpose is another set of meaning. Team's dedication and another set of meaning. That means once they are talking about the team's dedication, another they are talking about creating a sense of unity and purpose. That means the meaning is not going to be negative. It is going to be something good. The team's dedication transcended mere teamwork. That means went beyond the limit or the boundaries. Or the team's dedication sparked the teamwork. The team's dedication gave a positive push to the teamwork, creating a sense of unity and purpose toward that particular project, right? That means something positive, right? Next is fastidious. The fastidious. He was fastidious about his work, ensuring every detail was perfect. Again, taking out the first meaning, he was fastidious. What about his work? And about his work, he was fastidious about his work. Okay, we are not getting 100%. See the another context. Ensuring every detail was perfect. Ensuring every detail was perfect, giving us a lot of look, giving us a lot of idea. That means he was fastidious about his work. He was quite serious about his work. He was quite dedicated about his work. He was quite, you can say, meticulous about his work. That means he wants each and every detail to be perfect. He was quite honest with his work. He is quite a hardworking person, like that. Fastidious about his work means he's quite serious about, meticulous and demanding about his work. He wants everything to be done in a perfect manner, right? Another next is inscrutable. Inscrutable is another difficult word for us. The teacher's inscrutable explanation left the students confused and baffled. Confused, again, I'm having baffled over here, another word, but the word confused is clearing me that after confused, the conjunction and is given. That means there is a connection. The similar meaning of baffled should come with the word confused. That means something negative. The teacher's confused explanation made the student confused and baffled. The teacher's incomplete explanation made the students confused and baffled. The teacher's unclear explanation left the students confused and baffled. Means it was quite difficult to understand, right? Inscrutable. Next is over here the paraphernalia. The paraphernalia is another very good word. The astrologer displayed his paraphernalia at the start of the day to attract the customer. Let's make it a little bit easier. The superstar displayed his paraphernalia at the start of the day to attract customers, right? Or the superstar displayed his paraphernalia at the start of the day to attract the attract the viewers in his movie during his press conference. Paraphernalia, again, something is not that clear. The superstar displayed his paraphernalia that he generally use at the start of. That means his personal belongings. This is how, which is not 100%. I know that it is not 100% going to be beneficial for you. It is not 100%, but at least it can be beneficial 75% for you in order to understand the hidden, the implicit meanings over here, right? So, thank you so much.